In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Kia Optima. Located on the passenger side of the vehicle, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open the glove box. And there's going to be two knobs, one located right here and one located on this side. We're going to go ahead and rotate it to unlock it and pull it out. You're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Next up on this side, we're going to have this rod, and all we need to do is just grab it and pull it out. Now that we have the glove box in this position, we're going to locate this tab right over here, and you're going to squeeze and pull out this cover. So go ahead and do that. After taking that out, that's going to uncover the cabin filter. So go ahead and slide that out of the way. And here's the old one. Before we do so, we want to pay attention to the arrow that's going to be on the new filter. You want to be going down. So go ahead and slide it in place this way. Line it up. And push it in. Go ahead and install the cover. You're going to see that it has this on one side and the clip in the other. Go ahead and slide it in. Make sure that it clips in place. Next up, we're going to install the rod that connects to the glove box. So go ahead and lift it, line it up with this, and push it in. Now we get to install the knobs. Go ahead and pull up on the glove box, slide them in. You want to line it up with the notches and then lock it in place. Go ahead and do the same on this one. Line it up. And lock them in. Now simply go ahead and close the glove box. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.